Hi, Facebook. It's Madonna from itsmadonnarogers.com. And I just wanted to do a quick share here and show you all that the markets just opened this evening at 5 p.m. Eastern. And I decided to add two indices to what I am currently trading. This one here that I'm showing is NAS 100. The NASDAQ 100. I'm up 141 pips for the buy, and I'm going to be holding this trade until the trend changes. And then I have the SPX 500, and I'm up 89 pips on this indice. And again, I'm in for a buy and will be holding until trend changes. I'm on the hour time frame. This software tells me when to get in and when to get out of the market in profit, of course. So this is a fantastic way to up your game if you are already a trader and your results aren't um, where you would like them to be, sometimes up, sometimes down, losing and winning. This strategy that I'm currently using is a winning strategy, and it's going to take your Forex account to reach your highest highs and your goals to where you would like to have your accounts at. I also have German 30, which I'm trading, and of course I'm in profit. As you can see, it's green. But that's my girl. I've been trading her now for almost 2 weeks. I guess this week will make it a complete 2 weeks that I've been trading German 30 exclusively. But then I also added NAS and SPX 500. These are indices, and they are fast moving. They have a lot of pips movements, which can make you a lot of money. And if you're not trading her correctly or trading them correctly, you could also lose a lot of money. So this SBA system is a system that is going to help you as a newbie trader to get into the markets and make some great money. If you're interested, please comment, plug me in, and I will send you to my website, which is itsmadonnarogers.com, which will give you a tutorial on the SBA, and then we can get you on the team if you're ready to rock and roll. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.